When faced with an important decision, avoid making a final choice within 2 nights and 3 days. Regardless of what someone says, simply respond with "I've heard you," and leave it at that for the time being. Rushing to make a decision often leads to mistakes. You need those 2 nights and 3 days for your internal AI, yourself, to process and handle the situation. Even if you feel strongly drawn to something today, by tomorrow you might start to feel differently. And after 2 nights and 3 days, the right answer will emerge. During this period, you'll gain clarity, and this helps prevent mistakes. Whether it's buying a house or dealing with a situation where someone insists they urgently need money as if it's a life or death matter, never make an important decision within 2 nights and 3 days. If something truly were that urgent, it wouldn't come to you in such a rushed manner. While the person may be trying to pressure you to act quickly, nature, or God, doesn't operate that way when sending things your way. Everything has enough time built in. It's not too late to take action after you've delayed the decision and given it 2 nights and 3 days of thought. If you consistently follow this approach, everything will unfold, allowing you to make the right discernment.